You are my friends, right? And look this kitchen. I now will make it clean, and this is my kitchen. Stove, sink, a table, oven is open too, like this, and a dresser still, and yeah, start. This is the knife. We can cut something with it. Look. And this is a fork. This is a corn. As yellow as his color is yellow. That is gonna be green, but they make it yellow. Okay. This is a knife. We can cut with it. And this is a fork. We can eat with it. That off. We'll put it here. Or we can put it here. This is a spatula. We can turn something. And this is a spoon and another spoon. That we can eat with it too. That is spaghetti cutter. We can take some and put it in the food. That is for the soup. We can like this too. Like the letter L. And this is a sink. You remember, a sink has a real water, and this is the stove. Look, it have a light and a fire. Did you see that? Did you see this? This is a steam. To a secret. Look, we have this. Look. The green and the green and the green. Yes, count it. 1 is here. 2 is here. 3 is here. Okay, they are 3 plates. And it's put on and the dresser. This is this one pole is color is red. Now it's going to the dresser. In this cup, did you see no more colors? But it's one. This is a milk. This is for sugar, and I don't inside the sugar, but I'll call it sugar. This is a sugar. This is a salt. This is a salt. This is a black pepper. And yes, open the fridge. This is a ketchup. Look, it's even squeezy, like a wheezy. This is a pat with some this. Here, that is a pan. Did you see? Look what I do. This is a pan. This is a pan. This is a pot. Look what I see. Like this. And bye-bye. This is a sponge. This is a fluffy towel for the kitchen. I put it here. Yes, start cooking. And now I'll make a soup with this. Come on. First wash them. Also the eggs. And now we'll start. Now I'll wash my hands. Knife the tomato. And now, yes, wait. That's not a spoon. And it's a spoon. It's so sticky. So sticky. Maybe it's done. It's so sticky. Wow. Wow. Can you write the theme? Yes. This is a egg. Did you see the clock? Did you see the sponge? I'll do too. Let you play something. Where is the sponge? Here? Okay, you win. 1 star for you. Where is the food? Here it is. Okay, another star. Did you see what is the knife? Here it is. Good job. Did you see where is the spoon? Here it is. Good job. Where is the salt? Here it is. Now I want you to clean up the kitchen.
Oh no.
Do you want to see me? I am here, I am here, I am here, I am here. La 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 la. I am here. Now I'll put. Here it is. Now I'll put something smaller, like the shrimp. Here you are. Look, it's ready. It's ready. Here. Now I will do a hamburger. The breads. And the first we needed to cook the meat. Cheese, lettuce, ketchup, bell pepper, and the fries. Let's see it again. Where's the Steve? Uh-oh. Here it is. There's the Steve. The meat is done. Now the fries. They need a fork. Where is the fork? I want some fork. Spoon. Spoon. Well done, the fries. I wanted to turn off the stove. Cheese, a pepper bell, lettuce. Uh-oh. I washed them. And now the meat, cheese, pepper bell, cheese.
No.
Mama, back to left. Meat, cheese, bell pepper, lettuce, ketchup, and another bread. I done the burger and the fries. Yes. Wow, it's ready. The smell is so yummy. I wanted to try it. Yummy. With some juice. I'll open it. Did you like the video? Like and share and subscribe. Bye.